Good day, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are on planet Earth. In today's presentation, I am coming up with things that stop us from reaching our full potential. Those things that hold us back from being the best we can be. Number one on my list is you are the architect of your life. Design it with purpose, passion, and hard work. And then from here on, I am moving on to the greatest footballers of all time. Then I want to come up with with what drives them to be the best. What are the motivating factors? What is the impetus that is behind their success? Number one on my list is CR7, formula for success. That is Ronaldo, number 7, formula for success. Ronaldo had this to say: your love makes me strong. Your hate makes me unstoppable. He did not stop there. He went on as well to say, I see myself as the best footballer in the world. If you don't believe you are the best, then you won't achieve all you are capable of. Let me move on then to this greatest footballer of all time, that is Pele. Pele had this to say: success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, studying, learning, and most of all, love what you are doing. Fall in love with your studies. Then let me move on to the greatest boxer of all time, Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali had this to say after fighting the greatest fight of his life. The interviewer asked him, and he said, champions are made from something deep inside them. That is desire, passion, and vision. And then let me now move on to this greatest footballer, Neymar. So Neymar had this to say: the secret to success is to believe in your dreams, is to believe in your potential, that you can be like your star, that you can actually succeed in all your endeavors as long as you believe in your potential. Now let me move on to the academic world, academic field. In the academic field, let me start with my greatest philosopher of all time, the late professor at Oxford and Cambridge, that is C.S. Lewis. He had this to say: very often, the only way to get equality is to start behaving as if you had it already. And then from here on, let me move on now to Proverbs, written by the greatest wise man who ever set foot on earth, that is Solomon. He had this to say: as man thinks in his heart, so he is. As you think, so you are. If you want to be intelligent, believe you are. If you want to pass your mathematics, believe you can. Since success starts here, success and prosperity start here in the mind. It is envisioned in the mind. It is engineered in the mind before it manifests in the real world. Now let me come to Carol Dweck, a Stanford University research psychologist. This is what she found. She found out that those students or those learners who believed that intelligence can grow had increasing math scores, but those who believed that intelligence was fixed had decreasing math scores. Then let me move on to Ellen G. White. Ellen G. White had this to say: the mind gradually adapts itself to the things it is accustomed to love and reverence. It is the law of both the spiritual and the intellectual that by beholding we become changed to the image of our idol. I need to thank you, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are. These are small things for big things that are coming. Please like and subscribe.